My name is Briggs Sorber. I'm one of the original two men of Two Men in a Truck and the CEO. Two Men in a Truck originally started with my brother and I back in the early 80s in a 66 Ford pickup truck. We started with a small truck like this, but continued to work on our processes, continue to add locations and add people. We have become not only the largest moving franchise in the U.S., but the largest moving franchise in the world. And our mission statement is very important to us, and that is to continuously strive to exceed customers' expectations and value and high standard of satisfaction. We have about 290 locations in the U.S., 21 in Canada. We have locations in the U.K. and in Ireland as well. We have about 9,000 employees and about 2,500 trucks. Our goal is not to do as many moves as we possibly can. It's to do really, really good moves. And so that, that industry domination, one move at a time, is really going in, taking processes and doing that move right, and then moving forward to the next one. And what my mom said when we first started out, before we even left Michigan, she said, I want our trucks to be on every road in every country in the world. And we thought, that's pretty cool. It's kind of happening. There's no doubt one of the main reasons why we have grown is because of the people. If you take a look at the 130 employees that we have here, I'm going to say about 125 of them are local Michiganders. So they come from great universities like Michigan State, Central Michigan, U of M, I mean from all over the state. We love being in the state of Michigan. We also love the fact that our governments have just supported us so well, from our local governments, I mean, to getting this building built. Our city government and even our state government with LEAP, with the MEDC, all of them have been very supportive of watching us grow. Having a business is like running a marathon. You can't walk. You've got to run all the way to the end. And so we have to get better all the way to the end. And being world class is never, ever taking the easy way.